I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid with tretinoin. First, apply hyaluronic acid to slightly damp skin. This helps it draw in moisture effectively. Allow it to fully absorb, which usually takes a minute or two. Then, apply your tretinoin. Remember, a pea-sized amount is sufficient for your entire face. This layering technique helps minimize potential irritation from tretinoin while maximizing hydration. Combining these two ingredients offers significant benefits. Hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant, drawing moisture into the skin for deep hydration. Tretinoin, while effective for anti-aging and acne, can cause dryness or peeling, especially when starting. By applying hyaluronic acid beforehand, you create a protective, hydrating layer. This helps mitigate common side effects, making your tretinoin experience more comfortable and effective. The correct order of application is crucial for success. Always apply your hyaluronic acid serum first, allowing it to fully penetrate your skin. This ensures your skin is well hydrated before the tretinoin goes on. For beginners, start by using tretinoin 2 to 3 nights per week. As your skin adjusts and builds tolerance, you can gradually increase the frequency. Listen to your skin. If you experience excessive dryness, reduce tretinoin use temporarily. Remember, consistency is key for seeing results with both ingredients. Always use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every single day, as tretinoin increases sun sensitivity. Introduce any new products slowly to avoid overwhelming your skin. For more great tips and product recommendations, check the description below for links and other deals. And if you love reading, you'll find a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite there too, perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.